Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we are going to be making this cute season's greetings, non-traditional kind of holiday card. It is specifically featuring the In Pine stamp set, and this is the only stamp set we're going to use today. In fact, we are only using paper and ink on this very easy card. So what you're going to need is obviously the stamp set itself. You're going to need ink in Pool Party, Just Jade, and Pretty Peacock. And then you're also going to need the gilded gems and then some Stampin' Dimensionals. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start building up our trees in the background. So I have our two kind of fill-in trees from the stamp set. It's not the ones that are more defined. It's the ones that are meant to fill in the really fine art, fine line trees. And so what we're going to start off with first is with the color Pool Party. And when I'm stamping Pool Party, we could just stamp off once, and then I'm going to stamp onto our cardstock wherever I want. And it's going to give me that illusion of kind of background trees. Trees that are a little bit more off in the distance. Now that I'm finished with the Pool Party, we're going to go in with our Just Jade and make sure to clean the stamp before you go into the next color. Then finally, we're going to go in with the Pretty Peacock ink. And with the Pretty Peacock color, I kind of like to go in a second time and stamp right over the same trees again, so I get a little bit of a darker look. And while I still have this Pretty Peacock ink out, I'm going to take and stamp our season greetings in the ink and then stamp it onto our small piece of Whisper White paper. All of the measurements for our cardstock are going to be included in our blog post, which is in the description of this video. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and adhere the sentiment onto our small piece of Pretty Peacock cardstock. I'm going to go ahead and adhere our tree layer onto our card base. Then I'm going to adhere our sentiment on with dimensionals. Then the last step is to put our gilded gems on the front of the card. And this is what the card looks like when we're all finished. I really hope you enjoyed this card and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. For measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video. Take care. Bye.